So good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, solve four to the power of x minus 1 minus 3 times 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0. So let us solve this equation now. See solution given 4 to the power of x minus 1 minus 3 times 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0. So if you observe, let us write this 4 power x minus 1 as like this. 2 square to the power of x minus 1. This can be written 2 power x minus 1 whole square. 2 into x minus 1 or x minus 1 into 2 is both same commutative property. So now here this can be rewritten as 2 power x minus 1 whole square minus 3 times, this is 3 times 3 multiplied by 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us introduce instead of 2 power x minus 1 one variable. So now let 2 power x minus 1 is equal to t, so that we get a quadratic equation. That implies we get t square minus 3t plus 2 equals to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in t, so that we can solve it. How to solve? Simple factorization. T square coefficient is 1, constant is 2. So that means actually you get like this, 2 into 1, 2. So now factors will be like this, 2 1 ja. Sum must be negative 3. So minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 right down. So now we can split the middle term as t square minus 2t minus t plus 2 equals to 0. So now t common, we have t minus 2 minus 1 common, t minus 2 equals to 0. Again we can take out t minus 2 common, we have t minus 2 into t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get t minus 2 equals to 0 or t minus 1 equals to 0. T equals to 2, whereas t is equal to 1. But we need x value. What does t stand for? That is 2 power x minus 1. So 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 2, that is the case 1. 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 1, that is case 2. With the help of these two, we need to find out the x values. So that can be done in the next page. So very good, very good. 2 or 1 is the answer. Right. So now you consider like this, case 1. If t is equal to 2,
Previous page.
1 minute. T stands for 2 power x minus 1. Right hand side 2 can be written as 2 power 1. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. So exponents are equated. So that implies x minus 1 is equal to 1. This x minus 1 is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So x is equal to 2 is the one of the solutions. Now case 2. Consider case 2. If t is equal to 1. So that implies t stands for 2 power x minus 1. 1. This 1 can be written as, here base is 2. Accordingly base we need to write 1. that we can write 2 power 0. Similarly, here also bases are equal. Bases are equal. So that implies, so now exponents are equated or powers are equated. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1. Hence we can write, this is called solution set. Solution set, in set form we can write equals to 1 comma 2. This is the answer. This is the t value.
Show next page.
Okay. This is the first question. So now solve x minus 1 times, x minus 3 times, x minus 5 times, x minus 7 times equals to 9. So the product of 4 binomials is equated to 9. Then we need to find out the value of x. Okay. See, if you multiply directly, you will get a biquadratic equation. Biquadratic equation means whose degree is 4. The degree of the polynomial is 4. That is said to be biquadratic polynomial or biquadratic equation. So that means now we need to rearrange the terms. So first add the here. So one minute. First I will come to later. Don't worry. First add the constants. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. Minus 7, minus 1 is minus 8. So first multiply first term and last term and middle terms. So you need to rearrange like this. Solution, you need to rearrange like this. So given that is x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 5, x minus 7 is equal to 9. So accordingly, first we can write x minus 1 into x minus 7 and multiplied with x minus 3 into x minus 5 equal to 9. First multiply these two, next multiply these two. Then we can write this one as a quadratic equation form so that we can solve it. Right. So if you multiply these two, what you get means x into x, x square. This will be minus 7x. This is minus x, minus 8x. Minus 1 into minus 7 is plus 7. Multiplied with x into x, x square. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. So minus 8x. Minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15 will be getting. So that means in the both the factors, one thing is common. That is x square minus 8x. So let us say this 8 is x square minus 8x is equal to something variable t. Now it becomes t plus 7 times t plus 15 is equal to 0. Sorry,
Sir,
9.
today starting.
This is the starting page. Take the screenshot. That's the better.
Show next page, sir. Next page, sir.
Right. So now multiply these two. T into t square. 15 plus 7 is 22. So you will be getting 22 t. 15 7 ja is 105 equal to 9. Now bring 9 this side. T square plus 22t plus 105 minus 9 equals to 0. So that is t square plus 22t. 105 minus 9. How much do you get? I think 96 equals to 0. So what are the factors of 96? Product should be 96, sum should be 22. What are the numbers? 16, 6 ja. This 96 we can write 16 into 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. This we can write t square plus 16t plus 6t plus 96 equals to 0. From the first two terms, let us take t common. T plus 16 plus 6 common. T plus 16 equals to 0. Again, t plus 16 is taken common out. We have t plus 6 equals to 0. So we get two cases. T plus 16 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 16. T plus 6 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 6. But we are not asked to find out the value of t. We are asked to find out x values. So now, case 1, t is equal to minus 16. So x square minus 8x is equal to 16. We need to solve it. Case 2, x square minus 8x is equal to minus 6. Yet another quadratic equation. Two quadratic equations we need to solve. Then we get the set of x values. So shall I proceed for the next page? Or shall I wait?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
So now here case 1. If t is equal to minus 16, then so x square, t stands for what? T stands for x square plus minus 8x. X square minus 8x. So x square minus 8x equal to minus 16. So that implies we get x square minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. Right. This is case 2 here. Case 2 equals to, what does case 2, what does it mean by case 2? If t equals to, go back, minus 6, then so x square minus 8x equals to minus 6. That implies x square minus 8x plus 6 is equal to 0. First, let us solve this one. This is nothing but x minus 4 whole square. X minus 4 whole square is x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal, taking square root of 0 is 0. So x is equal to 4. It is one of the solutions. But the 6 factors of 6 is 3 2 ja, only prime factorization. 3 plus 2 5. It cannot be factorized. So find delta value. What is delta? B square minus 4ac. B square means minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 6. We have 64 minus 24. That will be 40. So it has real roots and distinct roots. And also we can say that roots are irrational because it's not a perfect square. So formula, quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta. Delta means b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us substitute. Minus b means minus of minus plus h plus or minus root 40 upon 2a. Upon 2a means 2. So this we can write 8 plus or minus root 40. Root 40 we can write root of 4 into 10 It is
2
a
root
pure
10.
surd. 2 root 10. It's a mixed surd. 2 root 10 upon 2. If you divide by 2, you will be getting 2 4 ja, 2 2 gets cancelled, 4 plus or minus 10. So hence solution set equals to 4 comma 4 plus or minus root 10. This is the answer. So very interesting problem. These problems are. So let us move to the 8th question. Solve root over x upon x minus 3 plus root over x minus 3 upon x equals to 5 by 2. Here conditions are applied. What are the conditions? X should not be equal to 0, x does not equal to 0, and x does not equal to 3. Even if you get x equal to 0 and x is equal to 3, we need to just discard them. We should not, we need to neglect it. See, just if you observe the pattern of this question, root of x minus root over x by x minus 3, root over x minus 3 by x, both are multiplicative inverses. That means if you multiply these two, you will be getting 1. So that means now you need to introduce, instead of root of x upon x minus 3 is equal to one variable, any variable. You can say a or y or t. If you say t, obviously the second term becomes 1 by t. First, make it quadratic equation in terms of t. Solve it for t. After solving t, case 1 and case 2 arise, so that we can find out the x values. Okay, let us proceed for the solution. Here, let us consider root over x upon okay, good try. X upon x minus 3 equals to t. That implies root over x minus 3 upon x becomes 1 by t. Reciprocal. Now, our problem becomes t plus 1 by t equals to 5 by 2. If this question can be read in words also, the sum of a number and reciprocal is 5 by 2. First, we need to find out such numbers first. LCM is t square plus 1 equal to 5 upon 2. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will be getting 2t square plus 2 equal to 5t. Bring 5t this side. 2t square minus 5t plus 2 equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation in t. Now we need to solve it. 2 to the 4. So what are the factors of 4? Okay, correct. So factors of
1, 4.
Minus 4 into minus 1 you can write. This is 2t square minus 4t minus t plus 2 equals to 0. From the first two terms, let us take 2t common. We have t minus 2. Minus 1 common, t minus 2 equals to 0. Again take t minus 2 common. That is 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. So t minus 2 is equal to 0 means t is equal to 2. 2t minus 1 is equal to 0, t will be 1 by 2. The two cases will arise. T is equal to this much, we need to take it now. So now case 1. if t is equal to 2, then root over x upon x minus 3 equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. Don't firing on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what do you get? What will be the next step? What will you say? This becomes x upon x minus 3.
X by x minus 3 equal to 4.
4. Cross multiply. Again, if you cross multiply, you get like this. 4x minus 12 equals to x. Bring x this side, minus 12 to the right hand side. 3x equals to 12. X equals to 4. It is one of the solutions. Now case 2. Case 2 will arise like this. If t equals to 1 upon 2, then, so t means root over x upon x minus 3 equal to 1 upon 2. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. See the squaring on both sides. What do you get now? X upon x minus 3 equals to 1 upon 4. Cross multiplication takes place. 4x equals to x minus 3. 4x minus x is 3x. 3x is equal to minus 3. X will be negative 1. So hence solution set. Equal to negative 1 comma 4. This is the answer.
Sir, show previous page. Show next page. Show next page, sir.
Okay, next question. Solve x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 3 by 2 times x minus 1 by x
Show previous page, sir.
equals to 4.
Previous page, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So these kind of
Ninth question.
these equations are called reciprocal equations. Okay, first we need to express this x plus 1 by x whole square in terms of x minus 1 by x. So that means we have formula a minus b whole square equals to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Now here in the place of a, write down x, in the place of b, by 1 by x write down. X minus 1 upon x whole square equals to, okay, sorry. This is a plus b whole square is equal to, here a minus b whole square write down, plus 4ab write down. Okay, here x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 times x into 1 by x. X into x and 1 by x are reciprocals. You get 1. So 4. So now this solution we have. Instead of this x plus 1 by x whole square, we can write x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 minus 3 by 2 times x minus 1 by x So bring minus 4 this side equals to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. We have x minus 1 by x whole square minus 3 upon 2. Okay, x minus 1 by x equals to 0. So now x minus 1 by x we can take out common. If you take x minus 1 by x common, we have x minus 1 by x minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Here we get two cases. So one case is x minus 1 upon x equals to 0. Another one is x minus 1 upon x minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So now consider two cases and solve for the x values. Okay, now case 1.
Show previous picture.
If x minus 1 by x equals to 0. This x minus 1 by x taken common out. X minus 1 by x and minus 3 by 2. Right. So now the case 1. Here case 2. What is the case 2? If x minus 1 by x minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So that implies if you take x LCM, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Cross multiply. X square minus 1 is equal to x into 0, 0. X square is equal to 1. X is equal to root 1. That will be plus or minus 1. Now here LCM is 2x. So 2x into x, 2x square. X cancel minus 2. Next this will be 2 gets cancel minus 3x equal to 0. Cross multiplication. 2x square minus 3x and minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. The product of minus 4 you can write minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. This we can write 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Take 2x common. We have x minus 2 plus 1 common. X minus 2 equals to 0. Again x minus 2 common. We have 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Again two cases, sub cases will arise. X is equal to 2 because x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 1 upon 2. So our solution, hence solution set. So negative 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 comma 2. It has 4 solutions, 4 real solutions. Right.
Sir, 1 minute.
Pardon me?
1 minute, sir.
Right. So now let us start practice problems. So far, all the models of the quadratic equation completed. So now this is a practice session, practice problems. in that first problem, this you can do by your own. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. First question, x square minus 9x plus 20 equals to 0. Second question, x square minus x minus 12 equals to 0. Third question, 2x square minus 6x plus 7 equals to 0. Fourth question, root 3 times x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equals to 0. Fifth one, x square plus 6x plus 34 equals to 0. Sixth question, 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Solve the following quadratic equations means indirectly finding the roots of the quadratic equations only. But if possible, factorization method. Otherwise, go for formula method, quadratic formula method. So what is the quadratic formula? Minus x plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square minus 4ac means delta, you can write it, no problem. First you find delta, minus x plus or minus root delta by 2a also you can write formula. 20 factors means 5 4 ja, negative 5 into negative 4. This we can write factorization method. Minus 12, 4 3 ja, 7 into 2 14, it cannot be written. So then go for formula method. Fourth one is also formula. Fifth one formula. Second one you can do factorization. Minus 5 into 3 minus 15 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 you can write it. So try yourself this one. Otherwise tomorrow I will solve each and every problem. Now this is nothing but a revision session. Once again you'll revise and then you go for next quadratic expression chapter. What are the solutions of first one? Anybody?
X equal to 4 or x equal to 5.
Sir, x equal to 4 or 5.
Yes, 4 or 5. Second one,
X equal to 4 or x equal to minus 3.
what is the third one? Right. Okay, first question. What is the first question we have?
X square minus 9x plus 20.
Plus 20. How to solve this one? First of all, this 20 we can write as the product of two numbers. Coefficient of x is minus 9 as a sum of two numbers. What are such numbers? This first
4 into 5
4 jar add on. Negative 5
and minus 5 plus 4.
Negative 5 negative 4. So now this we can write x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 equals to 0. Take x common out. We have x minus 5 minus 4 common out. X minus 5 equals to 0. So take x minus 5 to x minus 4 equals to 0. two cases will arise. X minus 5 equals to 0 and x minus 4 equals to 0. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 or 5. Or we can write solution set also. Solution set. Set means elements. What are the elements we have? 4, 5. This is first question. Then go for the second question. What is the second question? We need to solve x square minus
x minus 2.
0. Here now select the two numbers. Minus 12. The product of the two numbers